Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your speaker JBL Flip 5 with your Android device. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices, now click pair new device. After that, press one time at the power button to turn on your speaker, and after that press one time at the Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. Now click on your speaker at the device list, pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!